We're going to give him one more time to fire up. What is he going to go in and inspect again? We need to verify answers. There we go. We're going to go immediately in to Monster Truck Freestyle. Gator! We're going to see Andy try to figure out what's going on there. Does sound like fuel. I know that they were working on that throughout the first event. They were leading it out. If you know what that means, it means they were taking fuel away. The truck was running fat. And they might have leaned it out a little bit too much at times, depending on how they short-term memory. And that's because he forgets he's little, because he's out here running with the big guys, he's hitting the same jumps, he's attacking the same cars, and he thinks he's a big guy. He's like a chihuahua out there, just vicious. Out there like he's a Great Dane. Seiver. Get wild. Again, you've got Jerrod, Compton, and Dean Velarde in Anubis. Once Jerrod gets going, I think he's going to go until, I don't know, he's upside down. But from the Mesa. You still have a job to do, Costa Mesa. As I move through the crowd.